Good morning, Priscilla. Shannon Coward here at Tameron Hyundai in the heart of Hoover, Alabama. You inquired about the Genesis G80. As you can see, we've got one here on our showroom floor, as well as several different models, colors, packages to choose from. But the most important thing about the Genesis G80 is the America's Best warranty. You have a 10-year, 100,000-mile on the powertrain. If that's not good enough, Tameron, the dealership, adds another 100,000 to make it 200,000 miles or 20 years, whichever comes first. You have a 5-year or 60,000-mile new vehicle warranty, 7-year anti-corrosion, and a 5-year roadside assistance. In addition to, this vehicle also comes with a 3-year service contract. My name is Shannon Coward. I'm your personal sales associate assigned just to you for the Genesis G80. The number here at the dealership is 205-380-6250, or you may reach me on my personal cell at 205-907-4700. Here at Tameron Genesis, you're going to love the way you're treated. Thank you.